We're leaders in robotic 6-axis sensors. And so one of the things I've been striving for the last 35 years is to have robots and force control combined. And that has been a long journey. And as time has gone on, we've seen vision start to take that role where they've become more and better integrated in with the robotics. Force sensing is still there, but its integration is a little bit slower adoption than vision. Now humanoids come along. Now the humanoids' need for robot sensing is much higher than the industrial robots. So what we are finding is that the adoption that humanoids have to using our sensors along with vision is much higher. And so we've actually been, for the last couple years, developing a specific sensor for humanoids, which we've released and is going into some of the humanoid bodies. So we're really happy about that. In addition to that, going over to our Solera business unit, they make encoders, motors, and drives. Now the drives is rather interesting. They have a drive the size of my thumb. It's really small, but it's quite powerful, because typically when you think size, you have to shrink down the power. But they got a real high power density. Why is that important? Humanoids need weight reduction at all cost. And then so they're able to slip these drives in with a smaller form factor and get them in there without creating more bulk on the humanoid. In addition to that, inside the servo drives is complex software. That software is there and does a lot of safety checks. So we've spent an enormous amount of time with safety. So the future of humanoids, as Melanie Wise told us, is safety. Safety will be the breaking point for success or failure, and we feel Novanta is part of that.